Today, I will test a top-secret scalping trading strategy for the crypto market that is used by a millionaire crypto trader. To saw if this strategy was really profitable, I tested it more than 2000 times and achieved an average monthly profit of 100%. So, if you want to boost your crypto profits, stay tuned to see all the real and proven results. Let's go! So, I'm on TradingView, which is the platform that I use to backtest every indicator and strategy. TradingView is a platform that you can use for free, but if you are ready to use its premium tools to carry out trading in a more professional way, you can enjoy a discount of up to $30 when you use the link I left in the description. For the backtest process, I will use an algo that I created that can backtest over 100,000 trades in just a few seconds with the most real and proven results possible. It is a highly powerful tool that you will have full access to from today on. This millionaire scalping strategy is used in the 5-minute time frame. Let's now add the indicators of this strategy. The first one is the MACD, but not the normal one. It is the zero leg MACD, this one here. The settings that I will use are the default ones, which are 12, 26 and 9. Then we need to add the volume oscillator indicator, also with the default settings of 5 and 10. And lastly, you need to add the Kim Jong-un indicator and use the period 26 on it. Also, I am going to search for the ATR indicator and I will use it with the default settings. I will use it to place the stop losses and the take profits on every single trade. I will now show you how the millionaire trader uses this scalping strategy. A valid long signal is when the zero leg MACD gives a buy signal, so when the pink line crosses above the green one, and that crossover happens under the histogram. The volume oscillator is above the level 0 and the price is above the Kim Jong-un. If all these criteria are met, we can enter a long position, where we will use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. By using for the stop loss the value of 1.5 times the ATR and for take profit the value of 2.25 the ATR. Then, for a valid short signal, the zero leg MACD needs to give a sell signal, so when the pink line crosses under the green one, and that cross under happens above the histogram. The volume oscillator needs, again, to be above the level 0, and the price needs to be below the Kim Jong-un. If all these criteria are met, we can enter a short position, where we will have the same risk management rules I explained. Another very important aspect of this scalping trading strategy is that it only works if you use it during the London and New York trading sessions. So now I only have one thing left to do before starting the backtest, which is to code all these indicators and rules into my backtesting bot. I will do it and I will be right back. It's done. Let's see if everything is okay in our code. Here we have an example of a long signal. As you can see, the zero leg MACD gave a buy signal under the histogram, the volume oscillator is above the 0, and the price is above the Kim Jong-un. Also, you can see that this signal appears during the London session. The algo considered the entry point after the closure of the signal candle and placed the stop loss at 1.5 times the ATR pip value. So, at 1.5 times 24.19, which is 36.29. And it placed the take profit at 2.25 times 24.19, which was 54.43. So far, everything is fine. As you can see, this trade reached the take profit here, and the algo closed the trade. Perfect. Now let's see this example of a short signal. As you can see, the zero leg MACD gave a sell signal above the histogram, the volume oscillator is above the 0, and the price is under the Kim Jong-un. Also, you can see that this signal appears during the London session too. The algo considered the entry point after the closure of the signal candle and placed the stop loss at 1.5 times the ATR pip value. So at 1.5 times 105.53, which was 158.30, and it placed the take profit at 2.25 times 105.53, which was 237.44. So far, everything is fine. As you can see, this trade reached the stop loss here, and the algo closed the trade. So, as you can see, the algo is working correctly. The London and New York sessions are marked on the chart with the green boxes, and, as you can see, the algo only trades in those periods, visible by the arrows that you see. So, it is really working perfectly. For the backtest, I will apply this scalping trading strategy on 10 of the biggest cryptos that all of you can easily find. And I will use the data from the last 3 months, so I will tell the backtesting bot to start the backtest on the 1st of November 2022 and end today. I will also tell it to use a 2% risk per trade. I will now speed up this part of the video a little bit, but you can slow it down to see the results of every single crypto. I see you in a bit. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and, in this way, you will never miss any of my videos. I remind you that nobody else does backtests with more than 10,000 trades here on YouTube. It is just me. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Here are the backtest results, and we can see that after over 2,500 trades, this crypto scalping trading strategy has an average win rate of 44.65% and an amazing profit of 320%. And this profit was only of 3 months, which means that this strategy, under these conditions, has the potential to give you an average profit per month of 100%. Therefore, we are able to confirm that, in fact, this strategy of the millionaire trader achieves the results stated by him. As such, I strongly advise you to test this strategy, not only in the crypto market, but also in other markets like in the forex and stock markets. You can also test it with other rules or settings. As you saw during this video, this algo does all the backtesting work for you. It does in seconds what it will take you months or years to do manually. And the best part is that it gives you real and proven results for each indicator and strategy. It can be applied to any time frame, market, or with whatever settings you want. Its possibilities are endless. This algo will, from today on, be your best friend that will help you find the best trading strategy. And no, it doesn't cost thousands of dollars, as my main goal is to help you finally succeed in trading. As such, you will be able to have full access to all my algos and many other premium contents through the channel's Patreon, just for a symbolic value. In this video, you can see in detail what you can do with this algo and analyze the Excel that you will have full access to whenever I bring a new strategy to the channel. So, if you want, you can have full access to this algo from today on. Feel free to test it wherever you want. I look forward to receiving your feedback. You can do it through the comments here on YouTube or through the public Discord group. I will be waiting. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.